Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. I'm ready. Promotion. Then give me a shout out. Then give me a shout out. What do you? My mic working. I get to check it. I'm still setting up. Hello. Hello. Hello, Madge. Hello. How are you? Hello. I'm still setting up stuff. Actually, you know what? You guys are lucky that I even woke up on time because I my alarm didn't go off, and then I checked, and it's because my alarm was like an all day alarm. I somehow didn't put the time. I'm pretty sure I did. I distinctly remember putting down the time. You're my alarm. Well, good morning, even though it's the afternoon. Good morning. Good morning to noon. Good morning to noon. How are you? How are you, Modge? The Discord notif. Ah, true, true, true. True, 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 true. Correct, correct. Oh, hawa. Hawa. Eh, eh. Did I tell you that I watched the the musical? Because you guys wanted me to watch that. I had no classes for a week. A whole week. What is this world coming to? Hi, Enki. Hi. Hi. Oh, ads. Of course. Of course. Yids. Gothwawa. Ow, my finger. Ow. Ow. Heavens are everywhere in the Philippines right now. Oof, oof, tough, 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 tough. Goth Wawa. Oh, you got the black Wawa. I was like, why are you calling me a goth? My camera's not even on yet. You can't even see me in all black. This is the hard part of having the interchange name. Because sometimes I'm called Wawa, and I'm sometimes I'm not because there's the Wawas and people are referring to the actual Wawas. It's a tough world out here. It's a tough, tough world out here. Eh. The ad's almost done. I'm still setting stuff up. Yeah, you guys are lucky. You guys are real lucky today. I woke up at 7:45 a.m. and the stream's at 8. So I speed ran. I speed ran a bit. That's good. That's good. Oh, this is gonna suck. I just realized. Oh, this is gonna suck real bad. Actually, wait, no. I believe. I believe in the system. I believe in the system I developed. I could do this. This is not gonna suck. I swear. Ugh, that was me the other day. Yeah. I don't know why. I don't know how. I'm pretty sure I set the alarm. I'm pretty sure. Listen, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. Clearly, I'm wrong because it didn't happen. But you gotta believe. Building a controller for chat. He he. Uh, cam hand cam is real. All right, and now I gotta do. I gotta type in that. All right, there you go. We got that on. And now turn this on. And now again, I do this. Is this gonna work? This does not look like it's gonna work. Believe though, believe in me. I just have to test this stuff. Am I gonna dox myself? Let's see. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Dox cam win. Yo, on what? Dox cam win. Yo, on when's the dox cam? When's the dox cam stream? Okay. That looks good. Am I missing anything? Am I missing anything? This wire I'm missing. Okay, now I'm not missing it. I think. Hopefully. Maybe a couple brain cells. Boop. Jump scare. Hand cam jump scare. Do you see my bones? Oh my god, you like, is that my bones? Or is that just the glove? It's like perfectly shaped for. I think it's no, it's like the actual bone. Damn, he's got no meat on his hands. His hand has no meat. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, that's actually the. Ew, gross. Well, not the bone, but like it's the thing that pokes out. Can you find my brain cells? They're probably over there. Maybe over there. Actually, they might be over here. Wait, over there? No, probably over here. Tendons, yeah. Got my tendons on full display. Oh my god, veiny hands. You're not gonna see my veins through a glove. Marge, you're not gonna see my veins through my glove. That would be terrifying. That would actually be scary. That would be very, very scary. If you could see my veins through my hand, yikes. Is all I gotta say about that. Yikes. Okay. So, you might be wondering why I brought you all here today. Or not, because you could probably read the stream title. But in case you're illiterate, today, the plan is simple. Sorry, I'm like moving the mic as I'm speaking. Today, the plan is very not simple. I lied the first time. We're going to be building a controller. I think they've been washed away by floods. No! Today, we're going to be building a controller that can read Twitch chat and then use Twitch chat to, like, do controls. It's a controller that Twitch chat could use. All right? You get it now? You understand? Okay, perfect. So, couple disclaimers. Neon! Hi, Neon. Hi. Hi, Marge. Hi. Hi, Anki. Hi. I know I already said hi to you guys, but you guys didn't get the hand wave, the special treatment. Oh, there you go. So, couple disclaimers. I am not an engineer. I'm a computer scientist. Oh, someone here to kill, I mean by, what? Huh? 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 What are you talking about? Can't do that. That's illegal. Yeah, so a couple disclaimers. So first, not computer scientist. Sorry, I'm a computer scientist, not an engineer. Which means I don't know what I'm doing. Okay? Uh, number two, I really have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to use this thing. I have no clue. I got no clue how to use this thing. So this will be a whole stream of me doing something over and over again, trying to find another tutorial that does it slightly differently, doing that over and over again, and then going to another tutorial. By tutorial, I mean for using some of the products that I'm using, for like some of the electronics I'm using, you know. So let's get started with. Let me show you what we got. Let me show you what we got here. All right, we got boom a couple starter kit electronic starter kits. All right, we got cumin kits. That's probably not how you say it, but don't worry about it. We got the Free Nove starter kit, and we got the cumin kits starter kit. Don't worry about this one was fake. This is the real one. All right. So with all these powers combined, we could do a whole lot of stuff. I think why I brought these here, actually, we honestly don't really need these boxes. These don't have anything that we need, except for like the wires. Like apart from the wires, we don't really need this box at all. But the reason I have it here is because I wanted to show you guys stuff that's in here, and then maybe we could come up with some future stream ideas. Maybe we could make some stuff in the future. That would be cool. If we get this thing working, obviously. Also, some stuff I bought just for this stream are some of these bad boys. These are Arduino Pro Micros. Well, not Pro Micros. They're just Arduino Micros. Why I got these specifically is because these have the capacity to be used as a HID, which is a human interface device, which means I can make them be a controller. And I have tested that out, and I know I can do it. Like, it's possible. I've tried it, okay? So, boom. Human interface device. We got our controller. This is basically our controller. That's what this is, right? But we can't use just this, okay? Because this cannot connect to the internet. And as you may know, it's possible. You might not. Twitch is a website. And a website means it's on the internet. So, we need that. We need some Wi-Fi. And what better way to get Wi-Fi than, to get a ESP8266? Now, if you are an engineer, at this point, you would say, Onwa, you dumbass. There actually is a better way. It's called anything else. And to you, I say, why didn't you tell me before, you motherfucker? Why didn't you tell me? Yeah, so the reason why I got those, right, ESP8, if you're an engineer, right, and you're wondering, Onwa, why did you get that? First off, remember the disclaimer. I'm not an engineer. Also, hi, Leon. Hi. Here's a heart for you. Hi. The answer is, one, I'm not an engineer. Two, I was looking up how do you get, how would I get Twitch chat, maybe using an Arduino or using something else, right? I was doing the research, right? And then I found, a library called Arduino IRC, which uses IRC to act as a Twitch bot for a Twitch account to get the messages, right? So you make a Twitch bot and then you use an IRC. I was like, okay, great. And then I figured out, okay, I can't use that with just Arduino because Arduino by itself is not connected to Wi-Fi, unless you have an Arduino with Wi-Fi. But that's like, I think like one Arduino. I think IDK. Anyway, I was looking at the example, and in the example, it was using something called ESP8266 Wi-Fi. Now, in my mind, I was like, ESP8266, that's too specific of a letter and number combination to just be whatever. You know what that has to be? That has to be a Wi-Fi module. It has to be. So then I looked up ESP8266. What do I see? ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. I'm like, I'm in, baby. I got it. I get the ESP8266. I learned how to connect it to an Arduino, right? And then I just have the thing. I just have to have the code running to connect to Twitch, and then use the HID. It's perfect. It's easy. Easy. I got this. Haha. This is so simple. A mere simpleton could do it. And then I received the Wi-Fi module, and then I couldn't even do the blink test. That shit wasn't working at all. I failed hardcore, like real hardcore. Like damn, I failed. Kind of levels. You know what I mean? Like yikes. Anyway, so let me get these boxes out of the way. So if we have any engineers in the chat, right, that would be willing to help me, please rise up. Please speak up. State your name and purpose. I dropped the wires. I'm crying. Not those wires. There's another wire. Let me get that. We're playing around with the Bluetooth module and it'd be simple enough. Well, the problem is this isn't a Bluetooth module. So this is like I said, this is an ESP8266. It's a Wi-Fi module. It uses Wi-Fi. Anyway, so that's what that is. The micro, I got this working. X input, I was able to do. Like, I'm able to make this act like a controller. The only problem is that now I need to be able to read Twitch chat. And for that, I need to be able to use the Wi-Fi module. All right. Ugh. All right, chatterinos. Let me grab you for a second. Let me grab this guy. So this is what we have. This is what we have right now. We're gonna have to change this stuff around. Actually, we probably will need these kits. I'm trying to put them on the ground. We probably will need them. Whoopsie. Oopsie. Oopsie doopsie. I made a poopsie. I got a couple of resources available. Now, thing is, I don't think we want to like program this, right? Like, so the default thing with this is that once it's connected, you should be able to like do some stuff. Like some stuff. Like at least like be able to communicate with it through the Arduino IDE serial monitor. And if you don't know what that means, I don't know either, so that's fine. I was gonna like say something like cool, but I don't either, honestly. I have no clue. I have no idea. I'm just gonna quickly open up Arduino IDE just so you have that to look at, you know, just so we have We could both share in the pain that is not knowing what the hell is going on, right? Because that's a good thing to have. I think, at the very least, have something you could both share your pain in. Let me just open up some stuff. ESP8266, ESP01, um, diagram. Is that what I'm looking up? Is that what I want? Yeah, okay. Where's chat? Chat, where are you? I lost you. There you are. Also, Neon, stop biting me, please. I'm begging you. Why is my guy not moving? Why are you not moving? Microphone device. Why are you on that device? Are you stupid? There you go. Onwa wasn't speaking because he's stupid and dumb. And dumb and stupid. Where am I? Hell? I think so. Okay. Display capture? I'm gonna make this smaller. We're gonna have. Oh, that's not display capture. Why can I do this? why? Why can I do this? Okay, hold up. There you go. If I had a vertical monitor, this would be amazing. But I don't. This is not how I imagined it. So I have like the pin out here. I gotta hide this. I'm hiding this. I'm just gonna have a window capture. It's gonna be better. I'm just gonna have a window capture. The window capture is gonna be way better. Okay, and I'm just gonna. There you go. Now you guys get to see stuff. Whoops. Whoops. Although I should put this under the wawas. Where's the wawas? There you are. There you go. Okay. So what I need is we have the serial monitor here, right? I should make this much bigger. So this is the serial monitor. When something is connected, you're able to like send messages, right? And what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to send the AT message, and this thing is supposed to respond okay, right? To let you know it's connected. I have not been able to do that yet. So sucks to suck is basically what I'm trying to say. What I haven't done is because I've been trying to mess around with this, right? So what I'll try and do maybe is I'll take out another one because I have three. I'll take out another one. I'll try that one. Maybe this one's just bad. I'll take out another one. We'll try. And if it don't work, it don't work. And if it do, it do. If it doesn't work, we're going to be here a while. We're going to be stuck in this hell for a bit. Just a little bit, Just a little bitty bit. Okay. So let me get another one of these bad boys out. Eh. Eh. So here it is. Oh, give me a second. I forgot I was supposed to message someone and I completely forgot to message them because I was thinking about starting the stream. All right, there you go. Okay. So What we're doing right now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer these wires to this bad boy, and then we're gonna test it out. And if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work, and then we cry. How much we cry is irrelevant right now. What's the pinout? Right. Okay. Let me remove all these wires. Eh, 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 eh. Okay. Perfect. This was the reset wire, so we don't really care about that. Is this black? I can't tell. The light is kind of fucking with me. I think that's black. So I think this is ground. Ground is the top corner. This top corner specifically. The RX pin and the TX pin. So what that means, RX and TX, those are like serial read and serial write. And those are important because they allow these fellas to communicate. So right now this is wired to an Arduino Uno. The plan was to have it wired to the micro, but it might not be possible just because of certain thingies. But that's fine. So we're just doing what we can do, you know. I don't remember what this is supposed to be. We want Chipata. We want Chibada and VCC connected. So I don't remember which one was connected where, but we could just go with the flow, you know. Actually, let's go with an let's make our life a little easier. So the Chippada. I don't know how you're supposed to actually say it, so I'm just going with the letters and saying it's stupid. That goes there, and this should go here. Now we had another wire connected before, but that's just the reset wire. I don't care about it. Okay, now this is all wired up. We're gonna see if this works. So I'm gonna take this off screen. Wait a minute. Did I just unwire and rewire into the same thing? Is this the old one or is this the new one? I just know because this is where I put the other one before. Hold on. Can I? Is it possible for me to check the clips? Can I? Hold on. I'm making a clip and I'm checking it. Am I stupid? Did I put into the wrong thing? Chat, please tell me. Please, someone look. Someone look and tell me, please. Where? No. I can't look at my clips. No. Well, um, I'm gonna. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna try both. I guess we're gonna try both then. I don't know which one's which, so we're just gonna do two attempts. Okay, so put this in here. I don't remember if I have code uploaded to the Arduino or not. I don't remember if I took it off because I was testing this yesterday. Okay, so okay, it does have code uploaded. Yeah, see, this is the problem. So I go, but then I type a message, but then it doesn't send the message. The message does not send. This is what I don't get. I don't think it's the bot. I don't think that's the problem. I'll try different bots, but I don't think that's the problem. Yeah, I don't get this. I don't get why it does this. Okay, well, I'll take out the code. Let me take out the code. So I'm gonna unwire this, unwire that. All right, I'm gonna unplug it just to make sure that there's no problems like at all. All right, and now we're gonna upload the code. And by the code, I mean putting no code. This is an empty slate. Done uploading. Yep, okay, we're good. Now I'm gonna take out the power, and I'm gonna rewire this back in. Now, luckily, I was unwiring and rewiring this so often that I just like started remembering where all the wires go. That's the one nice thing. But everything else is bad. That's why I hate this. What I would have wished is that it all just worked. Okay, so now there's nothing in it. There's no code. Yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know if we have to wait. I really don't know if there is something missing. I don't know if we need to wire something else, which I have not wired or not. It's a mystery. I really have no clue. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I have to put in the reset wire. I don't know. But isn't the reset wire just reset? Like, isn't that bad? This is what I don't understand. I don't get it. Well, right now it's not powered. I know the power's off. I don't know if that's good or bad. Okay, what if I try setting an AT now? Nope. Okay, I'm putting in another wire. I know you guys don't see anything right now because I'm doing it off screen. But oh, oh, it started doing something. I think that's the bootload sequence. But if that's the case, it has taken a while to load. Like that took a while to do anything. If that is the bootload sequence. It's still going. That went in before I put the reset, by the way. I have not put in the reset pin yet. Is a problem with the wires, maybe? That's what I don't get. Is this it booting up? Or is it just screwing with me? I don't know what's going on. I don't understand. What's happening? Okay, I'm gonna put the reset wire in. Reset wire's going in. Alright, it stopped. It stopped at the reset wire. It's like non-stop. I can't tell if this is the new one or the old one. I can't tell because I might have just messed up. I should have put I should have put them in different places. I don't know why I put them in the same place. Okay, not connected. We're retrying. You guys were able to see again. There you go. All right, we're doing another attempt. I'm taking off the reset pin because I don't think that should be plugged in. But like one of the videos I saw did plug it in, but I'm not sure if it's like supposed to be. Because that doesn't seem right to me. Okay, So let's try this again. This is a different one, or maybe it's the original. We'll find out. We'll find out soon enough. I remember where these guys go. These guys go here and here. And this is the ground. The ground is in the corner next to the TX pin. And then it's these guys, except I guess they don't really matter which wire goes where because they're both ending up. I'm giving both of them power at the end of the day. It doesn't really matter where they go. As long as they're wired to the right pins. Did I fuck this up? No, we're good. Guess who's back? Back again. What's up, dog? Glad to see you here. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hello. We are doing some electrical engineering, some IoT development, and we are failing miserably. How are you? Hope you're good. Okay. Powered it on. Does not seem to be doing much. Fancy that. Yeah, I know. I know, right? Yeah, this one's just like not. I don't get it. Sometimes they're powered on, sometimes they're not. It might just be my wiring. But like I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. I'm back from Japan. Welcome back. How was Japan? Give me the info. Give me all the info. Did you get me any souvenirs? If not, I cry. Let me get this out. Neon's like, Japan, huh? Haven't been there in the moon's age. Okay, I'm checking some things. We may wire some stuff differently. I'm just checking. I'm checking. I hate it here. What is this, man? Tell me something good. Tell me how to actually do this. No! No! This sucks. Show me better pictures. These pictures suck ass. These pictures are so ass. I'm trying to use some sites. Are you with matcha flavored Kit Kats? I have not tried them. I have not tried any matcha flavored Kit Kats. So yes, I guess I'm fine with them. What about this one? Is this a good one? I'm looking at different. I'm opening up different materials to figure out how to do this. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Okay, let's do this. 20 of them. God damn. I've never tried any. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put on the display capture. Right? This is what we need to use. And hold on. I'm just gonna actually never mind, I hate that. Never mind. This guy's getting out of here. I'm hiding this guy. Don't worry about him. He wasn't real. He was never real. Okay, but this guy's real. And this guy can hurt you. Oh, I made the wrong type of duplicate. Whoops. My bad. Give me a second. New window capture. Select that. That's big. That's a big boy. We're gonna try doing this. We're gonna steal this, alright? Alright, chat, we're stealing this. This is our work now. This is our work now. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna put the guy back on the screen. I have a question. Yeah, what's up? How you doing? Yeah. So apparently there's like actual programmers. And by programmers I don't mean like people who program, but I mean like modules that program these. But you're supposed to be able to use an Arduino Uno for that. So we're just gonna that's what I'm doing. And that's maybe why it's not working out the way I want it to. Would you do me a flavor? Maybe. Maybe what kind of flavor were you thinking? Mint? Matcha? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So we're going to try and follow this diagram, which I don't fully understand yet, but that's fine. So now we need these bad boys because I need to get some buttons. And also some resistors, I guess. Favor? Yeah, what's up? I might say no, but I might say no. But that's yet to be seen. Are there any buttons in this? Ooh, there are some buttons. Here are some buttons. Those are some buttons right there. Do we have... let's get some LEDs too, because we might need those. Here's some LEDs. Those are now resistors. What is Abdallah? What do you need from me? Oh yeah, we also have a stepper motor in here. So if you guys think about it, you know, maybe we could do something with this in the future. I don't know what, but maybe we could do something. Okay. Found my resistors. I don't know if any of them are 10K. We'll have to look at a diagram and try and figure it out, I guess. Oh wait, no, wait, does it say on it? I can't tell. I think that's a 10K. I think this is I think this is a 10K. I'm not sure if there's like a way to tell if is there like a proper way for resistors to be placed. Thank you. Is there like a left or a right way for resistors? I don't think so, right? I almost dropped everything. I did drop some stuff, but not everything. Get back in the box. You can't escape that easily. That's again, thank you. Okay. Hold on. Correct? Okay, good. I'm gonna turn off the camera real quick because Neon told me to do some push-ups. Boop. Boop. You guys still get to see the diagram though. You're so lucky. And also I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner for a bit, so you guys won't be able to hear shit. You won't be able to hear shit at all. One, two, three, four, five. I don't know if you guys heard because I wasn't able to bring. I wasn't able to bring the mic over because the hand cam's in the. Did I break my? I just broke my headphones. Just broke the headphones. Amazing. Dalek followed you. Weren't you following me already? What happened? What is this? Anyway, I think I broke my headphones. I just heard a snap. I followed again, bro. The hater. The hater agenda. It's too strong. Okay. Let's follow the diagram. Or at least let's try to follow the diagram. That's the idea. So, USB to TTL converter. That's like basically what we have. I unfollowed and followed instantly. I see. Okay, let's unwire everything and let's just try this again. Let's try this one more time. My name is Milo Gonzalez. So, first things first is VCC to plus V. So that was simple. That's this. This is this for that. We just go to the 3.3 volt. Is this the 3.3 volt? Which it's so hard to tell. Which one's the 3.3? That one. Okay. So that's that. That's simple enough. Next, we have the reset and okay. So this is let's take out the buttons. We need two buttons. We need a reset button and a flash button. Milo Gonzalez, yeah. Dadoy. Keep up, maybe. Like, come on. Like, come on. So that's all the buttons. Oh god, there's some other things in here that are not buttons. Oh wait, do these need power? They have 4 prongs. That means they need power, right? I need power to ground for those. Man, you could tell I really don't know much. I do not know much. I know what I know. I know what I know, and that's enough. Let me check. Let me check here. 4-pin button. How does the 4-pin button work? Do you need power for that? Where's the where's this? Oh, are they each their own button? Okay, it's like 2 buttons in one. What the hell? Okay, this doesn't make sense to me anymore. I'm being shown 2 different things. I don't get it. Okay, you want to like cross them. You want them crossed, I guess. That's what it is. I'm probably wrong about that, but like that's what it's showing me, so I'm just gonna go with it. Oh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Hold on, let me check. Let me check the mic. Is the mic picking that up? That's satisfying. I could clicker train chat now. Clicker train chat. It's perfect. Okay, so we need two of these. This button, I guess this one's gonna be the flash button, and then let's get a red one. Get a red one. This one's gonna be the reset button. Okay, this is the reset button. Reset button is going to be over here. Is it in? It's really hard. These are like very low quality breadboards. You can tell by the fact that it's a pain in the ass to use. I should probably have these on the other side. Nah. Yeah. I should have these on the other side. Never mind. That's annoying to take out. I'm gonna keep that there. That's staying right where I want it, which is not there, but that's fine. Why are you not the same as the other one? Okay. Okay. This is gonna be reset. This is gonna be flash. So let's see here. What we need to do. Once VCC is up, we need a resistor going to both the cheapid and the reset. And then we need one of them just going normal. Okay, perfect. Let's move these onto the long line. All right. Long line it is. So this is the cheapid. Is it? Is this the cheapid? That's there. Yeah, this is the cheapid. Cheapid is going to be in its own world. Oh, we're going to need a resistor for that. So this is going to be over here. We need a resistor, so that's fine. That's going to be over there. And then the reset pin is over here. Okay. Now we're going to use a resistor. No. Put this here so we could use a resistor for that. So a resistor is going to go from this to this. And then this is going to go to ground. Okay. That's fine. Anything else we could do real quick? Any quick things that we could do? Well, these can go RX and DTX. Can just go right there. So this is RX, and we bring it to the TX, and then vice versa. So this is for programming it instead of just trying to read it. So it might not work out how we want it to anyway, but that's fine. That's okay. Ground is ground is ground. And ground is just ground. All these bitches go to ground. I'll just put it over here. What is this guy doing? This guy's the GPIO. I don't have that plugged in at all. Neither do I the reset. Let me put the reset pin back in. How are you doing with the bug game? Ground is ground. What? It's ground. Ground is ground. Don't you know? I am doing also. Sorry, I did read your stuff about the stuff. Um, Science since when? Yeah, yeah, you know, you know, you know, yeah, yeah, you know. Wait, so this goes from the VC. So this, what am I? What am I doing? Am I stupid? I'm a little stupid. What did I do? This is not that. That is VCC. VCC. This one just goes straight. I'm stupid. This one's just straight up alcoholic. This one goes here. Okay. Um, I've been doing a bud game. I haven't played since last week, and I think you were there last week. So not much has happened. I need. I need you here. Okay. We need 2 resistors. Let's take out the resistors, and then we'll learn from there. So these are 10k resistors. Get off. Okay. What do we need to do here? We need to go from that to the red. The red is the GPD. Yeah. And then. Okay, so this one will go inside of. I put too many wires around. Let me take this out for now. This one will go straight into there. That will go straight into. Oh god, get these wires out of my face. Into there. That's one. So this is the Chapada. This is the Chapada. I thought I was in Japan for 2 weeks. Yeah, I know. I got the crystal heart. You know? Yeah, I got the crystal heart. I'm a man of crystal hearting. So now I could do the big dash, and that's kind of it. That's kind of it. That's all I got. Wait a minute. So this is the one's more complicated. This one I need. It needs to go to a reset. Also to ground. I went to a stream and first thing they called me is leg instead of doll leg. And then they said I have a feet fetish, which I don't. What do you what kind of streams are you finding, man? Finding all the bad eggs. Okay, this I don't fully understand. So do we don't want these to be connected. Why do we need the reset to go to ground? And not the GPD. I don't know. Start knowing, dog. I need you to know. I need you to know. Um, and I guess I'll go with it as written, but I don't see why it needs to be done this way. So it's probably done wrong. It's very possible. Most of the things I've been seeing about this thing, the ESPA 266, have been wrong. So it's very possible it's just wrong. Okay, now we need more wires. I need a wire. Looking out for a wire till the morning light. He's gotta be strong and he's gotta be fast and he's gotta be larger than life. Larger than life. That's one. I need another one though. I have no idea in this. All right. Well, it's fine. Listen, we're in the same boat. I have no clue what I'm doing either. Okay, so now the idea is that we want so this. Hold on. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. That will go to there, which will go through that. Okay, so we do need. So what I'll do is I'll move this here, and then I'll go from this to this, and then from this to this is the reset button. This will go there. Okay. And now I need another wire. If I could, I'd take a black one. I could decide. Okay, and now this will go here. And is that it? Is that the right place? Is that it? Is that the right place? I can't tell. I think so. Okay, I goes there. I have no idea in this. Look. Now there's the ads. Stupid ads. Stupid ads. Get out of here, ads. Stupid dummy ads. Stupid dummy dumb ads. I need to drink water. Yikes. Alright, reminder, I have no clue what I'm doing. I really have no idea. Like, at all. So this is a learning experience for all of us. It's more a pissed off experience for me. Maybe you guys are learning something. I'm more so getting angry. That's my contribution. I really don't. I don't know. I do not understand. I'm not. They don't know. They don't call me the knower in this. If anything, I'm quite the opposite. They call me the. Is there a? Is there an antonym for knower? Someone who doesn't know. Is there a single word for a person who doesn't know? I need another one of those. I guess I'll have to go down here and grab one. Okay, let's grab a wire. I will grab the blue wire. Out of these, I'm grabbing the blue wire. I could have also grabbed the white one. Now that I think about it, it probably would have been better. Because I'm already using a blue wire, but that's fine. So now we need to use the GPIO 0, which we have not used before. Get in there. There you go. Now this GPIO is going to just go here. Just straight up go on here. Without a care in the world. And then this just goes to the ground. Tony! Hey, Tony! Hey, Tony! I don't, Tony! I don't, Tony! Hey, welcome to the stream, Tony! Okay, here are our buttons. Here's what we got. Now I'm just checking my stuff. Checking my thing. Okay, so now I'm going to take this off. Let's do some more testing. Let's do some more testing, baby. What contraption you're gonna make? So the full idea is the end product, not what we're doing right now, but the end product. I'm gonna sneeze. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. The end product is gonna be a controller, an Xbox quotation marks controller, which could read Twitch chat and then press buttons like a controller from Twitch chat. Bless you, thank you. Also, thank you, Leon, and thank you, Dalek, for the blessings before. I don't think I said thank you. That's the plan. Plan is we want to read Twitch chat and then be a controller, so then you guys could play games. The controller part is easy. The hard part is the Wi-Fi. Like, in all honesty, I might have to buy a different module because this one's not working at all so far. Like, it just hasn't been working at all. So we're gonna try something, and now what it wants us to do is go to examples. Is ESPA 266 not downloaded? Oh, it is. Hold on. Hold up. What is happening here? Oh, it's because I don't. It's because I don't have the board specified. ESPA 266 generic model, and then examples. Yep, that was the problem. Okay. Is ESPA 266 Wi-Fi, and it says to do Wi-Fi scan. So this, I assume, is just gonna tell me all the Wi-Fi like in my vicinity. Oh, you can't see it. What happened? You guys were able to see it right before. Oh, because this is a different one. That makes sense. There you go. Sorry for that. This is the ESPA 266. It's probably gonna look for Wi-Fi, as I assume. It's called Wi-Fi scan after all. So I probably will hide this, just so I could have my Wi-Fi hidden. But I'll show you guys this. What this has to do. This stuff I've already done. So reconnect the circuit to the PC. Confirm that the red LED on the ESP01 is lit. Click Tools port and select the port ESP01 is connected. Now press and hold the reset button. So that's the red button here. You gotta press and hold that. Then press and hold the flash button. Release the reset button, and while holding the flash button, click the upload arrow. When it's complete, release the flash button, and the code will be sent to the ESP. As it is sent, the blue LED on the ESP01 is going to flicker blue. The blue one, that's the Wi-Fi one. To see the results of all this clicking, choose, click Tools on serial monitor, set it to blah, blah, blah. Okay. Perfect. So, I need to move this bad boy now. Let's move this bad boy over here. I need to press and hold and press and hold. Let me verify the code just so that nothing goes wrong. Something will probably inevitably go wrong. That's fine. Okay. Connect that. Please connect. Okay, it is connected. And then make sure I have the right port. Okay. Board. Generic ESP8266. Now hold the reset button. And then press and hold the flash button. And then upload. I don't think the light's on. I think this is a failed operation. I don't think the light's on. I didn't see the light on. I think it's a failed operation. I think I screwed up. Guys, I screwed up pressing 2 buttons. It's over for me. It's over for me. Yeah, error occurred. Okay. The problem was that like it's not on. Like the light wasn't on, or at least I couldn't see that it was on. Before we were able to make the red button like bright, before it was possible, we did have it happen. So this one might be broken. It's possible. I'll go back to the other one and we'll test it out. Yeah, let's test it out. I'm gonna try unplugging this. Yeah, this is just like a big debugging stream. So the main entertainment is watching me suffer, and you get to talk to suffering Onwa. So that's cool. You get to talk to a suffering Onwa. Isn't that like everybody's dream? I think. I really hope I haven't like fried these guys. That would really suck. That would really suck. Let me go back to the diagram. Oh, I already have the diagram. Okay, let's go back to this diagram. So, ground is ground. Like that's a simple one. Let's just start with that. Ground. Ground is this one. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. It's possible. It's also possible I was just like messing up how it should be. EX. Alright. I should not start with that. I should start with this one. RX to TX, which is below the ground. I'm confused. This is like that. So that's there. This is very confusing. Because the way I'm holding it is like backwards. The chi PD, I think, is this. You look like a chi PD. How you doing, Tony? By the way, I think I asked. That goes there. Just in case I didn't ask. Just in case I did not. Sorry, that sounded very rude. Though, like the way I said it was kind of fucked. Where did this go? Is this the reset pin? Where is this connected? That's connected to just that. Oh, this is the VCC one. Okay. Let me get the reset. Where's the reset? You're the reset. Yellow's reset. Hey, how's everyone doing? All doing good, I hope. That's the flash. So that's there. Oh no, I'm let go. You are here. Is that the right one? Yep, that's right. Okay. Two more to go. You're there, and you're there. Okay, these should be good. These should be good, I think. We'll find out sooner or later. The light's not turning on, so that's always nice. That's always a nice sign. When the light's not turning on, that's always great. Always a great sign. It might be. It's because they put 10Ks. 10K, not too much. Maybe it's because the USB to TTL converter is no, because no, that doesn't make sense. Why aren't you on? It says the red light should be on, right? Yeah, it says confirm that it's lit, but it's not. So something is wrong. The LED is not lit. It ain't lit, fam. So there's probably a problem with the wiring. Or it's just that this bread. It honestly could be the breadboard is bad. Like the breadboard doesn't have proper connections to each of the things. I also see. I also see that. I see that being a possibility. Like I'm not shying away from that being a possibility. I'm going to put these wires here. I'm going to move the ground wires to be on this thing. I have a feeling the long strips might be the problem. I'm probably wrong about that, but I'm just gonna say it how it is. Let me look at the picture. There's a picture here. So how do they make the reset wire? The reset wire like that, like that. So the resistor like goes straight to the power. Is that how it is? Really? Also, why is there only one resistor? There should be two. There should be two, no? Or I guess they're using one. They're using one collectively between them. But that's not what you have written down, man. Man. Of course. Because then that might be the problem, honestly. I can't tell. I really cannot tell. I would not be able to tell you what the actual problem is. I am moving a resistor, hoping for the best. Okay. We're just gonna move them off the long way, which is harder to look at, but it's more trustworthy, I think, because I don't trust those sides. But they're honestly problematic. They're like most likely not the problem. Yeah, no, they're not the problem. Huh. I was able to get it turned on like before, kinda. Kinda. I don't understand. I don't get it. It's not fair. Hey. Hey. Okay. So clearly it's not working. Attempt 522 to get this shit working. So the wires ain't set up properly. That's clear. That's a clear in the thing there. Let's see. Let's see. I don't fully know what's being sent where. I guess we just have to rewire everything, but I really don't want to. Ground is fine, I think. The flash is like okay. The flash is just this there. That's easy. That's whatever. We don't have to rewire that at all. That's okay. So that's that. Hold on, that's that. Okay. RX to TX, TX to RX. If that's ground, TX to RX, RX to TX. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that part's fine too. I think. So it's the reset. It's the reset. That's like that's the thing. That's what it is. The reset's the problem. I think. think. I don't know. Um, it could also just be the ESP 8266. That's the problem. Um, but I think the two wires, like the two resistors, causes a problem. I think. Let me take this one out. I'm taking a resistor out. Where we have this resistor in. Let us try to do it how it says. So that. So this is this the reset pin? Well, the yellow's the reset. Reset's yellow. Okay, so this is reset. What the fuck? Serve my language. Hold on. VCC and GPD. So that goes around the yellows. The yellow is there. But that's not the reset. Hold on. Am I stupid? VCC reset. Wait. No, wait. That's wrong. It's this. This is reset. Yeah. That's RX. This is RX. This is VCC. This is reset. This is GPD. So red is GPD. Okay. So this is the. Is that the right? Nope. So reset there. VCC there and there. Okay. Uh-huh. And this should go straight. Where's the reset? This here is that. Okay. This doesn't go anywhere. And it never did. This never went anywhere. Of course. This wire never went anywhere. I don't know if that's like the problem, but it never went anywhere. So what we want is we have the resistor. The resistor should go straight. Okay, hold on. Resistor goes right here, and the same as reset on the resistor, but also has a wire that goes straight to the reset button. Before it. And this goes straight here. That goes to ground. Okay. Still shouldn't do anything because it's not connected to the ground. What? We're building that NES controller. Hello. Hi, Koopa. Yes, I'm building that shit. On God. On God, I do be building that shit. And failing, like, spectacularly, but that's fine. That's neither here nor there. How's you? I'm doing good, man. How you doing? I'm doing alright. Apart from losing my mind. A little bit. Just a little bit, you know? Turn on! Did I kill it? Somehow? That's good there. You wouldn't happen to have a degree in electrical engineering, would you, Koopa? This shit don't work. Real. It's so real. Stop biting me. It's so real, so fast. I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm going insane. I'm actually going insane. It don't work. The dumbass. Certified dumbass. Damn. Well, it doesn't work. That sucks. All this work for nothing. Okay, let's try it again. I'm keeping this one for emergencies. This last ESP8266. Before we were able to have the button on, like the red button went on. So I don't know why it's not turning on this time. Like, I don't think it's a bad ESP. I think this one should work too. I couldn't help anybody with shit even if I wanted to, damn. Could you help people with pee though? If you can't help with shit, could you help with pee though? That's the real question. Wait a minute. Hold up. No wonder it doesn't work. I figured it out. I figured it out. I didn't mean that literally. I think we all know what you meant, man. This is a very small wire. I don't want to use this. But I think it's the only wire I could use. Okay, I'm gonna swap these wires. I'm swapping these ones right here. Um, come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you go in there. Hold on, this might just work. Just maybe. It worked! It's on! The light's on! I was so stupid, I forgot to connect the ground. I forgot to connect it to ground. Oh, whoops. Okay. Oh, is it still on? Okay, it's still on. Reset. Hold that. Do this. Upload. Please connect. Please just upload. Please, I beg you. I beg you, just upload. We have the light on. So we have part one done. And also I saw the blue light going on. The blue light was turning on for a bit. It was flashing. Okay, error occurred. Alright, we're not done. We're still in hell. Alright, we're still in hell. Let me make sure that these buttons are connected. Slowly dies. That's me, man. That's me right now. Listen, the light turned on at the very least. That is progress, if I've ever heard of it. That's there, that's there. Okay. I'm just making sure everything's actually connected at least. I think the only things that like I'm not sure about being connected are the actual Arduino things. Like these things are poking out. These things do not want to go in. Okay, let's see here. All right, what does it say? ESP8265, then click Wi-Fi scan, a new ID window should open. Yep. Confirm that the LED is lit. Click Tools and Ports, select the port where ESP is connected. Finally ready to program. Okay. Let me do this. Connect. That's on. Let me check the port. The port is there. Generic ESP8266 module. Yep. Frequency. Yep. Okay. Press and hold the reset button. Then press and hold the flash button. Release the reset button. And while holding the flash button pressed, click the upload arrow in the Arduino IDE. Okay. Okay. I need you to like stay up. How do I? How can I? Okay, that's fine. Press and hold. Then press and hold the flash. Then let go of the reset. Then upload the code. And then hope and pray and then crap your pants. Have your fingers crossed. Error occurred. Perfect. We love to see it. Done uploading. Serial monitor. There's nothing. All right, it failed to upload. Ah! Why? Why, God? Okay. Let's see. That's there. Next, pick Tool, Board Manager, and scroll down. Is it working? No, it's not. Add the board selector and choose generic ESP8266. Yep. Yep, generic ESP8266. Yep, I chose that. Yeah, maybe hold on. I will take uh an idea outside. Hold on. Is it gonna work? I will attempt something. I will attempt something that I saw in one YouTube video, which may or may not be the cause. It's possible. Although I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I'll try taking the Arduino out. Like I'll take the AT Mega out, maybe. I don't think I can. I think this bitch is stuck in. That bitch is like in. Yeah, I'm never taking that out. That is not happening. Never mind. Never mind. That's not working. Oh, let me. I could zoom this in so you guys could read. Okay, so this part I'm done. Oh wait, you can't see that. Hold up. There you go. All right, so this is the first, like, well, second part, more like. So I've already done this. This I've already done. Now the part that we're at is this. This is the part we're at. Reconnect the circuit to the PC. You guys can't even read that. Let me make sure that you guys can actually read the stuff I'm showing you. There you go. This is where we're at. Reconnect the circuit to the PC and confirm that the red LED on the ESP01 is lit. That we're good. That's facts. Those are factual statements, all right? The ESP01 is lit. On God. For real. Click Tools port and select the port where the ESP01 is connected. Finally, you are ready to program the ESP01. Okay? Now, if I connect it, the ESP01 is in fact red. Like the red light is on. That is true. If I go to Tools, Port, I could connect to the port. I can do that. That is something I could do. So this I've done. All right. Now I can compile the code. I'll compile it real quick. All right. But it doesn't say failed, so I assume it's fine. Yep, done compiling. Building sketch. Yep, okay, that's good. Now, what it says to do: press and hold the reset button, and then press and hold the flash button. Release the reset button, and while still holding the flash button, while still pressed down, click the upload arrow in the Arduino IDE. The sketch should compile in a minute or so, and when it's complete, release the flash button. Compiled code will be sent to the ESP01. As it is sent, the blue LED on ESP01 will flicker. So, I will press and hold the reset button. I'll keep holding it for a bit. Who knows? Well, I'll hold it for a couple seconds. All right, now I'm gonna press and hold the flash button. I'm gonna do it for a bit. Now I'm gonna let go of the reset button. I'm gonna upload the code. And now it says connecting, uploading, connecting, uploading, connecting. This is what it says. All right. A fatal ESP tool .py. Hold on. Failed to connect to ESP 8266. Timed out waiting. Yep. So now, what it's time to do is Control C that, Control V on Google. Actually, I probably shouldn't show you guys that, just in case something comes up. It might be the Arduino. It honestly might just be the Arduino being in the way. Like, that could honestly be the problem. Um. Yep, I have to remove the Arduino. I have to remove the Arduino. Oh! Hi, 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 hi. Thank you for the raid. Hello. 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 I know you. Thank you for raid. Thank you for raid Shadow Legends. Thank you. Hello. You're playing Peak on hands. It's true. Here you go. Here's what we're doing. Here it is. Here's what we got so far. It's nerd shit. Oh, let me hide this. I'm gonna have to raid and run. No! It's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you. It's okay. Have a good night. Good night, no true. Thank you for coming. Thank you for doing all the things. Love you, bye. Love you too, bye. Hello. Hello, no true raidies. How you doing, Raiders? Actually, I'm the raidie. I'm stupid. How you doing, Raiders? Raiders of the Lost Ark. How's it going? I gotta get a chisel. I'm gonna get my trusty old chisel. Did you guys beat it? Did you guys get? Did you guys peak? Did you guys end up peaking? Did you make it to? We're gonna use this. I'm gonna use this to take it out because I'm a genius. Did you peak? Did you guys get to the top? I probably should not be using something metal on metal, huh? That's a not smart thing to do, or so I've been told. But I really need to get this Arduino out. Hello again, Nochu. So what we need to do. Bingo, I thought that as you did. So, thank you for the hydrate. I'm going to hydrate real soon, but I want to explain this real quick. So, what we need to do, all right, this is what we're missing. This chip, the AT Mega 32, this AT Mega 32, we have to take it out. Like this chip right here, this chip, we got to take this out. We could put it back in. It's not, so that's not soldered in. It's not soldered in, or at least it shouldn't be. It's not soldered in. But it is hard to take out. Also, I hydrated. Thank you very much, Koopa. If you guys have any idea how to take out a chip from a board like this, then please do tell. I'm certain I'm doing it in a very stupid way. Not almost certain, definitely certain. Well, maybe you know what? Maybe Google will be my savior. Arduino, how to take out board? No, not board. How to take out chip, not the board. The board is the entire thing. How to take out the chip. Gently pry it out using a flathead screwdriver. Problem is that this bitch does not want to get out. This bitch does not want to leave. They make it specific for that. It grabs two open ends and you pull up. Oh, do they? That's cool. I don't have that though. I don't have their specific thing. I need to take it out now. I need this bitch out now. Eh. I don't want to break this thing. Your best bet is 2 flatheads on either side. By pulling up one side at a time, might bend the pins. That's true. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get 2 flatheads and believe in the system. Also, hi Sparks Maker, what's up? What's going on, guys? How you doing? Hello, I'm back. I'm back. We got some business. I really hope no one in my family needs these today. It'd be very weird if they did, but it's always possible. You never know. Is that a flathead? Alright. Nope, that's not a flathead. I need... That's a big boy, though. That's a very big boy. I don't think that's gonna be useful. Sips on some water. You would. You would. Alright, we got some things here. Do you think it would work well if I put it on this? Do you think if I put a flathead on this and I spun it, do you think it would take it out easy? Do you think it would just go zoom if I just took it out like zoom? Think it would work? Do you think it would work? I think it would work. I'm not gonna try it because I don't want to break my Arduino, but I think it would work. Easy. It would easily work. You're removing multiple pieces. Hey man, at least I got it out. At least I got it out, you know? If it works, it works. That's all that matters. Okay. I don't know how you're supposed to use a flathead on both sides at the same time, though. That doesn't seem very feasible. I think you'd not want to break the entire board. Says you. Says you, Koopa. You don't know my life. You don't know my life. Because I can't really put these in this. I don't really have anything I could use. I don't really have anything I could use. I only have one flathead, really. One of those fairly thing you might be able to sneak it on their chip and gently wiggle it up. I don't think I have. There's none I would say are like especially thin. Like if anything, I would probably say that this is thinner. I would say that this bad boy is thinner. Thank you, man. Thank you. Sparks, have you ever used an ESP8266? Excusing me of shit? I would never. Grabbing your cards? Maybe. Who knows? I think a card is too is too flimsy. Okay. Also, Neon. I did see that. I will do the voice. Hold up. Okay. All right. We're going deep voice because that's what was asked of me. Let's see here. Oh, whoops. Okay. I don't think cards are gonna help. You're the one who's talking about cards, man. Listen, I'm just the bystander. I'm just a bystander here. Man, even with this, like, this is not thin enough. It's not thin enough. I'm breaking this thing. They're gonna grab the Uno. There's no, yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's no gap, like, at all. What would be nice is like a pincher, like pinch both sides, and that's what you need. You need something to like grab. You need something to like grab both sides to yank it out. That's what you need. I was going back to my normal voice, but I forgot that someone redeemed the Tumblr Sexy Man voice. Yeah, it's because what I'm trying to do, Sparks, is I'm trying to use an ESP8266. Right, this is my first time using one. If you're asking why I have this and not something else, it's because I just got the first thing I could find, so I grabbed this. If you have a better alternative, please tell me. Because what we're trying to do is we're trying to connect to Wi-Fi, and with that, like with Wi-Fi, we're trying to make a controller that could read Twitch chat and then do that stuff. So I have an Arduino Micro, which I could use with the X input library to act like a controller. That's easy. I could do that. The thing I'm missing is connecting to Wi-Fi and doing that stuff. There is a library called Arduino IRC, which allows you with ESP8266 Wi-Fi library to um to do Twitch chat stuff. So you could use a bot to connect to Twitch chat. But you need Wi-Fi, which is why I have an ESP8266, but I've never used it before. And clearly I don't know how to use it. So yeah. I'm gonna sit here and pretend I understand. Don't worry, you don't gotta understand a single thing, because I don't either. Listen, if you're here, you don't gotta understand a single thing, because I don't understand a single thing, and I'm the one working on it. Okay, I got my chip pulled. Do you happen to have a precision screwdriver set by chance? Hold on. Move this. Let me move this stuff. I will show you. I will show you everything I have. All right. Got some drill bits. Got some of these. Got some of these. A lot more than I do, considering you've studied this shit. I haven't studied this shit. I studied computer science. I studied computer science, alright? I did not study electrical engineering. I'm not an engineer, I'm a computer scientist. They're two very different domains. I have like some of these. Still studied. Okay, yeah, but you were also in high school. You technically studied yourself. I got these. Do you think these will work? Do you think these will work? Lord, I'm the old guy. No, I've been. Listen, I have a bachelor's. Okay, Sparks. Unless you're talking about the bits and stuff. In which case, yeah, yes, I have 30 years of soldering experience. I have like the shitty solder. like soldering pen, but I don't have a. I don't think I have solder. I don't have solder, but I have a soldering pen, and I want to be able to put the chip back in afterwards. I also have this mini guy. I don't know if you have that. Pretty small. Maybe use that. Okay, I'm back. Overall, you held some longish screw bits. Find the smallest flathead. Um, like I said, I'm pretty sure my chisel's like the thinnest. Or this small one. This small one might be the thinnest, but it might be too small. Maybe. I think. Yeah, those are pretty thick. If not, uh, where's this? This guy is probably the thinnest, I would say. Which is not saying much because he's pretty thick. Actually, wait. No, this guy's the thinnest. That man's the thinnest. Let me try shimmying with this. Shimmy, shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy. Ow, my hand. Eh, eh. But what you can do is put the flat end under the chip, gently twist the screwdriver center of the chip up and forth on either side of the chip. Huh? Flat end under the chip. How are you supposed to put it under the chip? There's no space. There's like, I'm not sure if you're able to even see anything. Can you even see anything? I'm gonna hop into your Discord. Okay. There's nothing. There's nothing. Like, actually nothing there. Like, I'm damaging the chip right now. For sure. Man, I should have just gotten an ESP32, man. 9 ads, it is where it is. Space. I'm a drop kick. Nah. Drop kicking ain't real. Get in there. Taking some photos. Okay. Thank you, man. I believe. Oh, is that working? I might have been able to do something. I don't know how I'd be able to do that on the other side, though. Hold up. Hold up. I'm cooking. Hold up. Man's cooking. I might have figured it out. He might be a genius. He might be a genius. I bent one of the pins. Bro, it's okay. It was only one of the pins. Just bend it back easy. It was like pretty bad. It was pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. Is there a way to know which way you're supposed to put it back in? By the way, I have an idea of how it should be put back in, but um, I'm not. I can't say for sure. If you look at the chip, you'll see a half circle. Oh, yeah, that's what I thought. And it's where like there's like a. It's where there's a bend, I assume. Socket has a half circle. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's what I thought. Okay. So that's the At Mega chip. I'm gonna put the screwdriver away. So now it should work. Now it should work. Hopefully. So this is the ground pin. It goes, you'll never guess, in the ground. And now I need the blue wire. Is that the blue wire? No. Eh. Blue wire, come back to me. Hey, come back to me. Okay. Okay. So now, let's try this again. My name is Miles Morales. And I was bitten by a radioactive spider. Hold on. Yeah, I need to make space. Alright, 10 times the charm. That's what they say. Plug this in. Lights on. Hold the reset. Hold the flash. Let go of the reset. Upload that. I probably should have checked if the port was the right one, but I think it's right. Please upload. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please. Please. It's probably not going to upload. After all this. Wait, it's writing? Hold up. Hold up, it's writing the code. Hold on. Hold. The code is being written. Oh my god. Hard resetting via RTS. Done uploading. Okay, I'm checking the serial monitor. Nothing has appeared in the serial monitor. Viewer retention. I got you. Hold up. Hold up, multi. I got you. Pay attention. Pay attention. This shit's working. This shit wrote. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay. Serial monitor is not working, but it did do it. It did send the stuff. It did write the code. It wrote the code for real. Is there a way to like do I just press the reset button or something? Like to get it working? Oh! Oh! It's real. The code is real. The code is real, chat. It's real. It works. The code is real. The ESP8266 works. It works. Okay, I want to try something. I want to try something else. This one might not work. I just put a photo of the proper tool in your Discord. Okay, let me check. Let me check. I'm checking. I'm looking. Oh. Yeah, that looks way easier to use. That looks way easier to use. Nice board, by the way. Very clean. Okay, we're gonna try something that this one might not work. Let me check the code. This one is this code will specifically have a bot type in the chat. This one I doubt will work, but I'm running. All right, my adrenaline is pumping. I'm ready. I'm ready to fail again. I'm ready to fail again. Okay, so I don't use it for prototyping. Then I use an Arduino Micro. Yeah, that's exactly it. That's exactly the same thing for me. I was using these, uh, but just to make sure like nothing would fuck up. Oh, whoops. Okay, let's compile the sketch. So this should write to this. Um, if it doesn't, I cry, but that's fine. Like it's writing to it. It is writing to it. I'm not sure if the code's gonna work at all. If it does, you might see a bot in the chat. If not, then you won't see a bot in the chat. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to reset. Hold on. I let go too early. Whoops. But it was writing it. It was writing the code. This is progress. Progress, my friends. Progress we've never seen before. I like the fact that you can use X input with these though. I really like that because it means you can make controllers at home. Which the honestly the controllers probably suck ass. But you can make them. You can. Failed to connect. Okay, this time it failed to connect. So we're gonna try again. And this time, hopefully, it won't fail. I hope it connects this time. I hope I didn't just like completely break my thing. I hope I didn't brick my ESP. I don't know how I would have, but I somehow did. It's not connecting. No! 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 Okay, it's timing out. Okay, it's not working. Let's try this. I'm gonna try that. And anything else? I should change in this code. I don't know if the code's gonna work at all, but because now it's not doing anything. Because what I'm scared of is how strings work. Because for this you need a lot of strings. But I don't know how to do the string. Invalid unsupported command 0x8. I don't know what this means. Alright, I'm bringing in the big guns. Not a computer science guy. Alright, I'm bringing in the big guns. And by the big guns, I mean I'm bringing you guys in. Probably a bad idea, but I'm bringing you guys in. Bringing you in for questioning. Whoops. Where's my... Why isn't it working? Why can't I show you guys stuff? I guess I'll reopen it. Arduino ID. Is this the correct ID? Yep. Why are you so big? Because the serial monitor, that makes sense. Okay, hold on. Alright. Let me show you guys around. Let me show you guys what this is. So, this is my own variables. So this has like my access token, my Wi-Fi info, that stuff. Just so you guys don't steal it. But also it might break because of this too. So what we have here is we have IRC client and ESP8266 Wi-Fi. Why on your Wi-Fi? No! No, my Wi-Fi! No! No! So this is the IRC server for Twitch chat with just the port. This is just default. This is like an example thing, by the way. This is just an example. Like library example that I just took. So first you put in it's supposed to be originally the code. This is where I changed the code. Originally the code was like this. And then you had like the Wi-Fi name here. This is how it originally looked. This is why I'm not sure. It should still work. I just did this. I just changed it to this so that it would be this. So this is the SID, this is the password. This is the Wi-Fi. Then I have the channel you want the bot to join. So this is OnwaVT, which is my channel. Then the name of you want the bot to have, which is Wawa Plays. OAuth key, this is the access token, which I have. The access token being this. It's in the variables. So it might mess up here, honestly. This could be where it messes up. I don't know. Built-in LED, I don't know. I don't got that. I might have to turn this off. String IRC channel, Wi-Fi client. We put the IRC port, Wi-Fi client. Setup, pin mode. I guess I can turn this off because I don't have an LED. Actually, it wouldn't change anything, so it's fine. Serial begin, print line, Wi-Fi, disconnect, delay. Connect the Wi-Fi. So now we're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi. And we wait until we're connected. Once we're connected, we get the IP address. Then we go to the channel. And all it's supposed to do is send ready to go bots. And if it fails, then it just fails. So I don't know if this is going to work. I haven't been able to upload the code yet. So that's fun. So we hold reset, hold flash, let go of this, and then upload. That's what you're supposed to do. And then it's supposed to connect and then start writing. It might take a while to do it, but supposed to do it. But ever since I screwed up, ever since I did the screw up, it doesn't want to connect anymore. Yep, failed. Yeah, you see, it failed, so it can't connect to it. So maybe if I just unplug and replug, but I doubt it. Like I might have to do something else at this point, you know? Maybe I have to do like maybe I have to find a way to reset it, but I don't know how to do that. It's not connecting. Before it was connecting when I was originally doing it. I don't know. It's Python, C, Atlas, HTML, but it's breath without det. You know, if you want, I was doing it. I want to use the variables, just hard code it. I would hard code it, but it's because I was planning to show you guys the stuff. That's why. It's because usually with stuff like access tokens and your Wi-Fi and password, you should not be showing. You should not hard code that. You know, because you don't want public to see that. Like if I was showing you guys the code, like if I'm showing you guys the code like I am now, I don't want to show you guys this. You know, like you guys shouldn't be able to see this. You know, I shouldn't be showing you the Wi-Fi password. I shouldn't be showing you the access token. That was troubleshooting. Right now the problem is that the ESP is just not connecting. Like if I like it's no longer connecting. That's the problem. If I go to ESP8266 Wi-Fi scan, so this is what we had before. It's gonna open a new thing, so you guys won't be able to see it. Let me. Can I change it so you guys see it? Is it gonna work? Can I refresh? Is there a refresh thing? No. Okay. Well, trust. I got this. Let me close. I'll just close the ID. That's a stupid. I hate that it opens a new screen every time. ESP8266 Wi-Fi scan. Close this. I was gonna do it again where this is gonna be the same problem. No, okay, here's the Wi-Fi scan. Okay, here's the Wi-Fi scan. This is what we were able to upload before, right? I'll let it index. Worst case scenario, I just switch to another ESP8266 that I have, but I'd rather be able to know how to reset the ESP8266s if I need to. Okay, so here you go. So this is what we had before. Now we're going to the ASP model upload speed 1150. So now it's connected. I'll just reconnect it just in case. Reconnect. Make sure everything's on the right thing again. Yep. So now I just hold, flash, let go of reset, upload. This is what I did last time. I'm assuming it will probably still have the same problem. I'm assuming it won't be able to connect. Yep, fatal error. Yeah. So you see now it's doing a problem. Um. So I guess we're gonna look up what this error is. Um. Mm-hmm. It says online. Just quick Google search says it might just not be in boot mode. It might not be like ready to get code uploaded to it. But like I'm doing what you need to do that, you know? This is what you need to do. You need to press these buttons like this. Which is what I'm doing. And I'm doing it the same way I was doing it before. It's probably a bootloader issue. Like maybe when I uploaded the code, what I did before is I uploaded the code, right? And I was uploading it. And then it said it was finished writing, but it didn't say like done uploading. You know, like how at the bottom it says done uploading. I let go of Flash before it said done uploading. So that might be the problem. Or it's that it did upload the code and now the code on it like replaced the bootloader, but I don't know why it would do that. Unless it's just because I let go too early. So I think it's a probably a bootloader issue. Um let me check something. Ground is that, which means that's that. Let me try another thing. I will try a secondary thing. I doubt this will work, but if it does, then hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? If it does, then yippee. Yeah, let's try this. Let me unplug, replug just in case. Okay, and now, yeah, let's try this. I don't think this is the problem, but it might be. Are you the problem? It doesn't seem like it. Were you trying? I tried reversing the TX and the RX in case I put them wrong. Nope. Okay. I'm just gonna double check just to make sure I have them right. Uh, like in case I somehow like changed the wires when I wasn't looking. This is there. That's TX. You had it right the first time. Well, I had that error before too. That's the thing. I had that error before as well. So I'm not like 100% on that being why. That's VCC, I think. This is RX. RX goes to TX. TX to RX. I've got nothing. Yeah, I think it's just a bootloader problem. Like I maybe have to reset the driver on it somehow. Let me see. ESP8266. How to reset? How to give it a factory reset. When the erasing process begins, you can release the boot flash button after a few seconds. Okay, let me try something. Python. I don't want that actually. Whoops. I need my PowerShell. Okay, let me check this out. I don't think this is gonna work, but it doesn't hurt to try. I'm using another tutorial to reset it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't work. And worst case scenario, like I said, we have the other ESP 8266 that we could use. So we'll just use that. But we got this. We got this. Okay. Hold the button, copy the file and code and press enter. Okay, let's try this. So Python, ESP tool, ship, ESP8266, erase flash. And now damn. Okay, hold on. Hold this. Hold this. Let go of this. Do this. And then it's not gonna work, right? Are you gonna work? Nope, it's not gonna work. Okay. Um hum. No longer put in flash. Question another is rebrand the bootloader, but I've never done ESPs. Yeah, that's the thing. I just don't know. I feel like that's what I need to do, but I don't know how to do that. I have no clue. Let me try. I'll put the RXTX back to how it was, and we'll see. Maybe I doubt that's the problem, but we'll try it. Oh, and now it's writing. What the fuck? This is how I had it before. Why is it writing now? I'll just let it write. I won't try and screw with it this time. This is the Wi-Fi scan though, so it doesn't matter. I hate it here. I hate it here. It just works now. Okay. Now what I'll do. You guys won't be able to see, I guess. That's fine. I hate it here, man. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make sure you guys can't see. I'm going to test sending the code, like the other code, except I'm gonna put in the string. I'm gonna put in the strings of info, and we're gonna see if it works. Is this the password to my Wi-Fi? I don't even know. I'm pretty sure it is, but I can't tell you if like that's maybe the old one, not the new one. Anyway, I'm gonna try this out. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if this works. This is my Wi-Fi password, professional texture. Hey man, I never claimed to be a professional. I never claimed to be a professional. Do that, and then I need a new OWASP token in case, just in case. Oh, thank you for the follow, Sparks. Thank you for the help too. Thank you a lot for the help. Hi, Trip. Hello. Hi, Trip. How you doing, Trip? How you doing, Trip? How's your Wawa doing? Oh, where is my OWASP token? I'm gonna get a new one, just in case. Do that. Okay. This. All right. Let me test this out. How the heck am I supposed to commission you if you have nothing, my boy? My boy, give me time, all right? I'm trying to fill it up right now. I'm trying to fill it up with information, okay? I'm trying to give it the good. Okay, you got to give me a second. Man doesn't want my money. Man, just let me. All right, I'm gonna get to it. Believe it, believe it. Okay, so now I don't know if I need to like. I'm gonna unpower and repower. I upload the code, and we're gonna hope. We're gonna pray. That is okay. Connected and ready to rock. Wait, so it says it's connected, but it hasn't sent a Twitch message. It hasn't sent a Twitch message at all. But it does say attempting to connect, attempting to connect, connected and ready to rock, attempting to connect, connected and ready to rock. It's just sending the Twitch message that's not working. And then it like disconnects for a bit. Maybe it might be the okay, I have an idea. I'm going to disconnect this. Ow. That hurt. Okay. What I'm going to do is it might be the Twitch bot name that it possibly. I don't know. I'm talking out of my ass. I'm making stuff up as I go. But just maybe Just maybe that's the reason. Okay. I'm gonna put that as there. Okay. That there, that there. Mm-hmm. Oh wait. I need to add that. Okay. This might also be the reason. Okay, let's try this. Hopefully it'll let me write the code and it won't just have the same problem as last time. Please write the code. 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 I'm begging you. No, please write the code. Don't give me the dashes. No. 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 We've gotten it to connect to Wi-Fi now. Yes. We have gotten it to connect to Wi-Fi. Now it's not writing the code again. It's not writing the code again. It doesn't want to write the code. Okay. Okay. This is what we do. We're just gonna keep doing random stuff. I'm gonna do what I did again before, where I'm just gonna upload different code to it. I'm gonna close the IDE, reopen the IDE. I'm gonna open it on the ESP8266 Wi-Fi. It seems as soon as I upload this code, it like doesn't want to upload any other code anymore. It quits. It quits uploading code. Doesn't show the variable. Unplug it and short the reset and ground, I think, to drain. Maybe. I'll try this. I'll try this thing. I'll try what I did before, basically. And we're gonna see. If what I did before doesn't work, then I'll try doing what you're saying. That's not working. How about what about if I reverse the TXRX like I did before? It might honestly it might be it. Resetting the TXRX, like reversing it, like I did prior. Might not do anything, but it might also do something. Did you get a timeout timer? Yeah, but like last time, I didn't change anything apart from the RxTX. Like that's all I did. That's all I really did. So it's all I could think of that like would do anything. Did you unplug it and leave it unplugged for a bit? Maybe. Maybe. Well, anyway, we'll see. We'll see. I'll try this, and then if this doesn't work, then I'll just I'll just do the thing that works. You know, it might just be unplugging it for a bit. That could be it. It could very much be it. I'll try this, and we'll see. I'll just see whatever works, and whatever works, we do. During the reset, the ground, just make sure the caps are drained, nothing is floating around. Yeah, okay. Let me do that then. Do I have an extra wire I could use? I could use this. I'll just take the ground. Find the reset. Yeah, the reset. Take you out. And I'm gonna unplug it for. I'm also gonna press this. Unplug it for a bit. Make sure this is in the right place. You are EX. You go to there. Wait, that's okay. Well, whatever. Yeah, that goes there. I'm gonna wait a bit. Wait a bit. A bit. Okay, plug it back in. Open the IDE. Open example. Wi-Fi scan. Okay. Make sure the board's good. Make sure the port's good. Okay. Hold reset. It's indexing. I guess I'll wait. I don't know if indexing. I don't know what indexing does. I don't know if I should like worry about indexing or not. I'll wait just in case. Just in case. Here's the Wi-Fi scan, by the way. I'll keep it how it was. Oop. You guys actually have something to look at. Reset. Hold flash. Let go of reset. Upload. Pray. Can I get some prayers in the chat? Nope. Okay. This is what we had before. Command. This is the big problem. The command 0x8. This is what we had before. I tried holding the buttons a bit longer. Just to see. Maybe holding the buttons longer could do something. Okay, it did do something. I just have to hold the buttons longer, I guess. I hate it here. I was holding them for a bit, though. I was holding them for a while. Okay. I hate it here. Anyway, let's try uploading this code. Like, uploading the code I want to do. Man. As long as it works, we take those wins. True. Okay, let's try this again. Hold the button. Hold the other button. Let go of the first button. Upload. You better start writing. I swear to God, it's doing the dots. It's doing the dots. It's not connecting. Please connect. Please. Trip you. Okay, hold on. Let me get my timer out. Can't say that word. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to unplug and replug. Okay. And I'm gonna hold down the word I can't say. And then I'm gonna hold down the reset, and then I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna hold down the flash. And I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna wait. And I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna upload. And then on the okay, invalid unsupported command 0x8. This is the problem we had before. All right, it's giving me the same problem as before. But last time the thing that fixed it was holding the button long. This time I guess I held it too long. Let's see. Connecting. Connect. It's still connecting. How do I fix this problem? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. I guess holding the button wasn't the problem. It just decided to fix itself. It just randomly decided to fix itself. I didn't do anything different. What do I do this time? How do I fix this? That's why we should just hold the seance to speak with the machine spirit. True. I'm just gonna do this attempt. Hold on. Okay, it's connecting. I don't think it's gonna work out. Alright, it's not gonna work out. I'm just gonna abort it. Alright, we're holding a seance with the Omnissiah. Alright, let me get the Omnissiah ready. Alright, where's the machine god? Hold on. Warhammer 40k. What was the name? What was the name of these guys? They were like the Astartes something. No? What was their name? What was the name with the machine? What was the name of these guys? The guys from Warhammer 40k. Like a game. There's like a game about it, about those guys. The machine guys. What are the names? Mechanicus. Mechanicus. Where's the Mechanicus skull from the trailer? All right. Here's our Lord and Savior, the Machine God. All right. Everybody, put your hands together. Start praying. Pray to the Machine God. Make sure to feed him lots of machines. Feed him a couple machines in there. Throw a resistor for flavor. Omnissiah. Leave the light. Thingies they chant are just tech data they were forced to memory. Their whole time they're just changing stuff to 10 to bolt to 5. Pray to the Omnissiah. Pray to the Spirit Machine. Spirit God. All right. I'm plugging it back in. All right. I'm holding the reset. Holding the flash. Letting go of the reset. Uploading. Uploading. We're still connecting. I'm allowed to say the word button now. Please. No. Please connect. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Please. No. 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 Please, I'm begging you. Omnissiah. You're the only one for me. Please. Please, Omnissiah. It doesn't want to connect. It really doesn't want to connect. It's because we're not giving enough tribute. We haven't given enough tribute. I understand. I understand. We haven't given enough tribute. I get it. You need more. Take it. Take it, please. Take it all. Take it all. I don't care. Have we tried a bluff offering? No, it hasn't been. It hasn't been connecting. It hasn't given the error, but it hasn't been connecting. Do I have to maybe press upload as soon as I let go of reset? Maybe that's it. Do you think? Do you think that could be it? I like how we just have a picture of the Omnissiah. He's just there. He's just hanging out. Failed to connect. Timeout. Okay, yeah, it timed out waiting for the packet header. Okay. Timed out. That's different. That's a different thing. Shrug, might as well try. I'll do one thing. Please. They should just give me a 10. This shouldn't work. They should give me a 10. And put you back to the way it was. It's not easy now because. Okay. Put that down. Put that down. Please. I'm begging you. Just connect. Have I not given enough tribute? Have I not sacrificed enough? Please. Please. What else could I possibly give? What else? I'm gonna hide the picture of the Omnissiah. I feel like he's a bit creepy. He's a bit creepy just standing there, and he's not helping us out. I'll put him back on screen as soon as he lets me upload the code. Okay, timeout. That's what it did. Failed to connect, timeout. Okay, waiting for packet header. What can I do? Do this. I could do this, do this, do that, do this. It's scaring the children, exactly. Can you write the code now? If I'm right there, does it show on COM port 3? Yeah. It's still showing the same ports and stuff. The ports and the tools are correct. Like, that's not the problem. The port, the tool, and the speed. It's all good. Failed to connect time. Let's do another reset. Okay. Let's do one of these. You're not connected properly. Do that. Do this. Wait a bit. Cry. And scream. And shout. And let it out. I'm singing, oh. He's singing, oh. and scream and shout and let it out. I'll try to write disconnect controller more than once. Yeah. It is what it is, you know? Put it back in. Reset. Flash. Let go of reset. Upload. The problem too is like how long we have to wait paired with this shit might not work at all sucks. Like this stuff might just not work at all. But we still have to try. You just switch the yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. And now reset serial monitor. Connecting to the Wi-Fi. Please connect to the Wi-Fi this time. Okay. Timing connected, ready to rock. It says connected and ready to go, boss. Yes! 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 It worked! It worked! I didn't write that message. I didn't write that message. That was the bot. The bot wrote that message. Yeah! Yeah! And now I see your messages. What did you do to fix it? Nothing at all. Nothing at all, baby. I disconnected it and waited like a minute. And now look, hold on. I'll show this. Studio mode. I need window capture. I need a new window capture. Close that. New window capture. I'm gonna show you guys something. Look at this. I also get your messages. Oh, ads. Of course, ads. There's always ads. The moment I try to show something. Always, always, always. This is only a test. If this was an actual warning, we'd be in danger. No! No! Okay, hold on. Zoop. It works. So I also get your chat messages. Now, where is that coming? So let's see here. Setup. No, it's in the loop. It's gotta be in the loop. If client connect, join, connected, okay. Send message, call back. Okay, where does it show your guys' message? That's what I need to know. What I need to know is where does it say that your guys' messages come in? Not in the setup. There's ready to go button. Client.loop. Where am I getting your messages? The latency is great. It's actually pretty quick. Like, I don't know if you're being sarcastic now, but it's actually really good. It's like really quick. Um, I guess now it's just I need to figure out how client work. Is it in the set callback maybe? Yeah, okay, it is a set callback. Okay. So in here, we get the message. So let's use low. The message pop up the idea. Yeah, exactly. It's like really, really quick. Yeah, it's really, really quick. So now what I need to do is in here, instead of printing a message, I need it to send the info to my Arduino Micro. I need it to send the message to my Arduino Micro. And then with the message information, all I have to do is X input, do this, this, that. So I could probably use the serial, right? I could use the serial monitor for that, right? Can I? Can I use the serial monitor to like send info between things? I should be able to, right? Not serial monitor, sorry. I mean like the TXRX, I could probably send the message to my Arduino Micro, and then the Arduino Micro is going to just use that input, send message, like press the button, right? Would I be able to do that? Is that possible? I'll have to look it up. There you go. Oh, that took forever. That took forever to work. Oh my god. So now there's two things, right? I need to. Now I need, there's two things. I need to figure out one, how to get like the variables out. I want to get the variables in a different thing, right? Like I now I want it to work on a different thing. I don't want it to be on this. Second is I need to figure out how the serial monitor works, and then just do that. Well, even then, I could use. There is another way to do it, which is you could use software serial. I don't know. Okay. But yeah, now we know how to use this. This is great. This is amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did not think we were gonna be able to do anything. I thought for like the whole time, the entire stream, I wouldn't even be able to like upload the Wi-Fi scan. Like I thought the ESP8266 wasn't gonna work at all. Like I wasn't gonna be able to get it working at all. I'm very happy. I'm very happy that I'm able to. Not only was I able to make it work, but I was able to make it connect to the internet and connect to the Twitch chat. That's good. That's amazing. Yeah. So now I just need it to be able to connect to a micro. Ay ay ay. Oof. Let me just. I'm just putting this bad boy away. Like I don't want to destroy it. I don't want to break any of this. Like this is great. Another cool thing too, right? So now actually, so I don't think we're gonna finish this today. Like I'm kind of tired. I'm like kind of tired of working on this. Um, I might honestly do it offline, or maybe we'll try a bit tomorrow or something. I don't know. Um, apart from that, is there anything else? Like, have you? Let me get this shit out of the way. This stuff's in the way. Move. That's not the right thing. Move. I'm gonna keep the Twitch chat on this entire time just because I feel like it's cool. It's cool to have the Twitch chat coming from uh this. Can I actually? Is it gonna? Can I show you guys? Is this in the camera range? No, it's not. I can't get it in camera range. That's fine. Is there anything that I want to like make more stuff? Now that we know how to connect to Twitch chat, like the world is our oyster. So we have a stepper motor. We could do something with that. I also should technically be able to connect to what is it called? Channel points. I should be able to connect to channel points too, theoretically. Because this is technically a bot. Like this is just a bot using IRC. So it should work. We have a stepper motor. We have a noise maker. We have that's for the stepper motor. We have an LED screen or LCD screen. We have this box, which I forgot to put on screen. What's inside this box? We have a numpad, fingerprint scanner, more motors, a joystick, more motors, LCD screen. Yeah. Use the noise maker, won't annoy you at all. I should. I think it'd be pretty funny. Imagine having a channel point redeem where, you know, people have like blurp and stuff, right? Plenty of people use blurp. But imagine instead of using like blurp to make just any noise, instead I just have a thing where you guys could spend channel points to just make a like a it'd be so fucking annoying. But that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about, baby. Okay. Hi, Tsumi. Hi. Hi, Tsumi. Hi. That is the Twitch vibe sometimes. Yes. And it's perfect. Okay, let me check how to serial communicate. How serial communication Arduino. What the hell is that? Cat Dan. Cat Dan. Okay. I need power connection code. Serial communication between two Arduino and ESP8266. Actually, wait. If I connect, no. Yes. Yes. No. If I connect this to my Arduino Micro, is it just gonna like work? Is it just gonna work? Maybe. Is that possible? Like if I just connect the TX-RX pin from the ESP8266 to my Arduino Micro, is it not just gonna work? Hold up. Because if we look at the code, I guess you guys can't see the code right now. If you look at the code, right, we have callback, serial print line. So that should just like print. That just prints that. Client set callback. We serial print line here, right? So if we just serial the message, then technically on an Arduino Micro, I should be able to just, if serial is available, check the message that was sent and then just it should work, right? Am I stupid? I feel like I feel like that's right. I feel like I'm correct. I feel like I'm correct saying that, but I also might not be at all. But I feel like that makes sense. If we're just printing it, right? That sounds right. But I've never used TXRs like that. Like it should just communicate. Try it. Try try plugging it into a micro. I don't know if I put code in this one. I should have cleaned up my Arduinos. I'm pretty sure they're cleaned up. Hold on, let me try. I'm gonna test it out. I have to. I have to at this point. If it works, then like we're in. You know, we're in the big zone. Unplug that and let's. Oh god, these are bad gloves to use for this. These are very bad gloves to use for this. They're getting stuck. It's getting stuck on them. Getting stuck very badly on them. No, don't get stuck back on it. Okay, we're gonna try it out. What's the worst that can happen? As long as you burn it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Let me just make sure these are in the right order here. So where's my RXT? Oh wait, is this different order? Oh, it is. You should be that. Whoa. You should be like that. You should be like that. Okay. And now this is the ground pin. And you are VCC. Okay. And now I have to plug you in and hopefully not unplug the other stuff. Like the board and okay, the port's not here. This might be a bad let me switch you to another one. I need to switch to another micro. This one has code in it already. I already put code in this bitch. Ready to go? Wait, what do you mean ready to go, boss? Well, I already unplugged it, so it's fine. I already unplugged it because I couldn't see the serial monitor because it couldn't be connected. So it's fine. We're gonna get another one. Hopefully this one's fine. This one should be good. I'm pretty sure I removed the code from this one. I'm probably wrong, but that's fine. Okay. You go there. Whoop. There, please. You go there, please. Okay. Now you go there. You go here. Okay. Sit. Damn it! The wires are coming out. This is the worst. Ah, damn it! It disconnected. The ground is out. Back in. God damn it! It's so hard to keep the wires in on a micro. Why are you disconnected? Ready to go, boss. Ready to go, boss. Are you ready to go, boss? I can't see anything on the serial monitor. Maybe I have to change the board. Are you just hand wrapping the wires? Yep. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just hand wrapping. You guess exactly right. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Okay, this is what we're doing. I'm gonna unplug this. We've hit new levels of jank. Yep. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make a new sketch. I'm going to make sure that we have the same beginning. There's the same serial at least. You know, make sure you have the same serial. Very important. Whoops. I somehow went full screen. All right. That. And now, um, you need to make sure it's available. If serial's available, do that. Okay. I'm just gonna upload this code. Never mind. I don't know my sewer. Oh, it's the software serial. No, I just need serial. Serial. That's what I want. Okay. And now let's put this back on. EX there. RX there. Put this here around here. VCC there. Serial monitor. I need to reset it. Shoot. We have to do that. I don't care if you're ready to go, boss. I'm not ready to go, boss. If this doesn't work, I'll just like I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out another time. All right, let's see. Are you ready to go, boss? Yeah, ready to go, boss. Not connect the COM4 serial port. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, that doesn't work. Sadly, that doesn't work. We'll figure it out though. We'll find a way. But for now, that doesn't work. But it's okay. Listen, we figured this out. We'll be able to figure that out. You know, if we could figure all this out, we could figure that out. Also, it's not like the ESP826 isn't working because it is sending ready to go box. It is working. It's just not sending the serial, like the message information, to the micro yet. But I'll find a way. I'll find a way to do it. Okay, we did it. We did it, chat. Chat. We're such gamers, and we did it. Oh boy, we did it. Boom. All right, let's see, guys. We're gonna rate out if my computer will let me rate out. Guys, gonna work. Thank you. Might have to get better luck using I2C connection. Thanks how I do it. What is I2C? Is a sync multi-master, multi-slave serial communication protocol used for short distance communication with electronic devices. I'll look into it. Thank you for the suggestion. Thank you, man. Don't leave yet, please. Please, I need people to be there so I could raid and say like, hey, I have cool people with me. I wasn't alone while I was working on stuff. Please. Thank you guys so much for coming though. Thank you guys so much for coming. Thank you for staying. Thank you for the Noju for rating. Thank you for the people who were with Noju who rated for staying. Thank you for helping. Thank you for crying with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow we do a serial tier list. It's gonna be a great time. Great time. Serial tier list, baby. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Here's a heart. Bye. Love you. Oh wait, I forgot to say there's a do exclamation point raid. Do exclamation point raid for the raid message. I forgot to write it. Shit. Shoot. Darn. Hold up. Do I have a thing for it? No, I don't. Damn. There's a raid message though. If you do that, if you're not interested, then just go tell them they have nice hair. All right. All right. Go tell them they have nice hair. Thank you. Okay. Bye. Bye now. Bye. Bye. Okay. Bye. 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 Leave. Get out of here.